In today's video, I'm excited to share a powerful natural remedy for weight loss that has been a game changer for many. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's jump into it. Are you looking for a natural and effective way to shed those extra kilos? Look no further. I'm thrilled to share with you a powerful natural remedy for weight loss that's easy to make and doesn't need diet and exercise, and it is incredibly effective. This remedy has been a game changer for many on their weight loss journey. 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, methi. 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, jeera. 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, variali. Half tablespoon ajwain, ajamo. A bottle of 1 liter water. Add 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds to water. Put 2 tablespoon cumin in water. Put 1 tablespoons of fennel seeds in water. Add half a tablespoon of ajwain to the water. Shake the bottle well. It's important to consume the remedy within 24 hours and prepare a fresh batch every 24 hours for optimal effectiveness. I encourage you to give this natural remedy a try and experience its incredible benefits for yourself. It's simple to make, using natural ingredients that are easy to find. Incorporating this remedy into your daily routine can help boost your metabolism, curb cravings, and support your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate this remedy into your routine regularly. I'd love to hear about your experience, so feel free to share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Let's embark on this journey to better health together. Share and subscribe to explore the best in natural health and wellness.